Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who may or may not already know, my name is Alex, aka YELLOOBERRY.
I'm like, damn, you so fine, girl. What is your sign? She say I'm a Sagittarius. I'm a Capricorn, the beginning and end. I got a friend for your friend. Hey, I'm making all of this money to spend. Deal stores buying.
Hey, I don't bite. And by the title of today's video, you already know what we are about to get into. But just a little hint. We gonna get into this hair. First of all, I just OD cracked my neck. But yes, for those of you who do have your Instagram, you guys do know that I visited H2 Brooklyn in Bedford-Stuyvesant, Brooklyn. It is a hair salon. I thought it was a natural hair salon, but they're not really a natural hair salon, but they are a Black-owned hair salon, and that was just good enough for me, okay? In today's video, I just want to give you guys my full experience. I'm also going to insert clips because I did vlog my experience there. And I just loved every single part of being there. My hairstylist, she was quick, fast, had me in and out and just doing the damn thing. Black girl magic. But let's get into this video. So the name of the hair salon is H2 Salon in Brooklyn, I believe. Actually, y'all know I'm terrible with names. Like, I just be tripping up for myself. H2 Salon, Brooklyn. That's the name of it, the full name, final answer. So I did make my appointment via their website. I went onto their Instagram and they have linked their website, which I'll also link down below in case you guys want to book a service. But their website is www.h2salonbk.com. I booked my appointment, I believe either 2 or 3 weeks from the date. I'm not sure why I did that. I'm not sure if they were booked up or if I just... Most likely that was like their next availability, so I was just like, all right, let me just do it. They did send me a confirmation email to state like, okay, hey, we got your booking, whatever the case may be. And they also did call me the day before my booking to make sure that I was coming the next day. They also do have a cancellation policy. So you can cancel for free 24 hours before your appointment. A late cancellation, you can be charged up to 50% of your service fee. If you are a no-show, you will be charged 100% of your service fee because you don't want to waste people them time, you feel me? They were very big on COVID rules and regulations, which I did admire. As soon as I walked in, I checked in. The lady at the front desk asked me to hang up my jacket, wash my hands, and then when I come back, she'll check my temperature, which she did, which I admired because I was just like, ooh, okay, they taking this real seriously. And they have like towels in there to dry your hands that they launder. It was really cute. The place is really clean. I also really enjoyed that. It was like a whole bunch of stuff everywhere. Like it was just really just what it was. Salon chairs, mirrors, a seat to wait. That was it. So now let's get into the service. Oh my gosh. So my hairstylist, her name is Jelena. I'm not sure. I know they have like different tiers of like stylists, like head stylist, professional, like that kind of stuff. I'm not sure what Jelena was. When I did book my appointment, you do have an option to choose like the head honcho or like, you know, just somebody who, whatever. I'm not sure what Jelena was, but whatever she was, she did the damn thing. She was so knowledgeable. I loved her energy. I loved her vibe. And as I can see, she hooked your girl up, okay? She hooked me up. So first things first, what I did like is that Jelena was by herself. So she told me my appointment was for 12:30. So she came up to me and she's like, hey girl, I'm sorry, I'm by myself right now, but I'll get straight to you. Go get something to eat. I went and got something to eat. It took me about maybe 10 minutes. And then as soon as I got back, Jelena was like, okay, I'm ready for you whenever you are, which was like top tier. Cause I was like, you know when people be rushing you after they had you waiting? It wasn't like that. It was just like, all right, let me know when you're ready. But I ain't here to waste nobody's time, so I was ready, okay? Packed my sandwich up and headed upstairs. So when I went upstairs, Jelena was really nice, like I stated, and she told me like, okay, put your stuff down in the salon chair, like where I'll be getting my style, and then go to the wash sink. So when I went to the wash sink, she gave me a nice robe. Their robes are really nice. I don't think I got like a clear depiction of it, but the way you put the robe on is like you put it on like a jacket. They will give you instructions. You put it on like a jacket, you button the top, and then there's like a belt, like a robe that you tie. For those of you who care, if you don't care, whatever. I told you how to put the damn robe on anyway. So when I got to the wash sink, what Jelena did was she washed and conditioned my hair at the sink. Prior to her starting my hair, she asked me if I wanted to get a deep condition. As y'all know, your girl don't go to the hair salon. So I was like, listen, you the expert here. So let me know if you think I need a deep conditioning. Jelena advised me, she's like, no, your hair is fine. You don't need deep conditioning. So she just washed me, conditioned me at the sink. She did not use her nails to scrub. If you guys do look up Jelena, she does have long nails. That did not prohibit her from doing the damn thing on my hair, as y'all can see. As y'all can see. As y'all can see. Okay. And like I mentioned before, she's very knowledgeable. She's a great vibe. And one thing that really made me like her or like the service, I don't know, but one thing that really warmed my heart was like, because I was like, yo, I'm really so tired of my hair, like I'm fed up with it, like I'm over it. She's like, why? You have beautiful hair. But it didn't seem like a cheesy comment. Like it wasn't like she was like trying to suck up to me, but you know, she just really made me feel beautiful and comfortable in my skin. And she read me. She was like, just say you're lazy. I said, okay, you're right. That's what it is. I do got beautiful hair, like, you know, but I am lazy. I did have a kid and stuff like that. So I really like that. And when somebody's doing my hair or doing a service for me, whether it's makeup, hair, nails, whatever, I want them to make me feel confident. Like I'm already confident, but just hearing from somebody else who doesn't know you, who's just like, you know, like, girl, you gonna work this hairstyle, or you gonna work these nails, or you gonna work this makeup. It makes you really get about that shit, like, yo, I am a bad chick, like, you know? Right after that, I sat at the wash sink with the conditioner in my hair for maybe about 10 minutes while she worked on another customer. So when she was done with that customer, she came straight back to me, washed out my hair, she detangled it with a comb, and then she washed out the conditioner and she brought me back to the styling chair. So now at the styling chair, what she did was she put a leave-in conditioner in my hair as well as heat protector because she was gonna blow it, dry it, and silk press it. I didn't even tell you guys the service that I booked. The service that I booked was a trim, which was $110, and all of their cuts, don't quote me, make sure that you go on their website and read the fine print, but all of their cuts come with either a wash and go or a silk press. So of course I chose the silk press route for $110. So you get a trim and a silk press for $110. So after she put the leave-in and the heat protector in my hair, she did blow dry my hair out wet. One thing that I did admire about Jelena was that she wasn't like agitated with me asking questions, stuff like that. She did know that I was recording her, like vlogging the experience, but she wasn't like fake. She wasn't like, you know, she was really just giving me the real. I was just asking like, oh, what do you put in my hair now? Because like I am also very curious, as y'all are curious. I was curious as well. And she would tell me like, oh, I'm putting a heat protector to do this and I'm doing this to do that. After she blew dry my hair, she sat me under the hair dryer for about like 25 minutes, wasn't long at all. She wanted to make sure that my roots were fully dry. I'm going to assume that she didn't want to keep blow drying my hair because, you know, too much heat, being that she's gonna silk press it. So she did send me under the dryer under cool heat. Does that make sense? Cool heat? Under a cool temperature, just to make sure that my roots are dry. After that was done, that's when she flat ironed my hair. So anytime anybody flat irons my hair, I like to ask them how many passes that they're gonna do, because everybody has a different way of doing things. So Jelena did pass the flat iron through my hair twice, once to straighten it as well as once to curl it, which you guys will see later on. What Jelena did was like section my hair, she straightened it, and once she was done straightening it, then that's when she went in for the kill. And she was making jokes on me, y'all.
It's see-through. Look at these ends. Look at this action over here versus over here. What's happening? What is happening? Okay, she has a tail.
Oh my God.
But we gonna get it together.
She asked me when's the last time I got my hair trimmed. I was like, well, I trimmed it myself the other day. She said, no, sis. I said, when's the last time you trimmed your hair, like, professionally? Not when you was playing in it. I said, oh, girl, you was spicy. Like, she's so spicy, and I love it. Professionally, I don't remember the last time I trimmed my hair. Like, it might have been 5-6 years. Like, any other time I get my hair trimmed, I have Chanel do it, which I've had on my channel before, or I do it my damn self, and Chanel be yelling at me. But this time, I got it trimmed by a professional, so I can officially say the last time I got my hair trimmed by a professional was April 20th, 2021. After she straightened my hair, she trimmed it. She was also talking to me about what parts of my hair looks like I play in it a lot, what part do I sleep, what side of my head do I sleep on, and stuff like that. She also advised me that I should still be taking my prenatals because, as we all know, anybody who has a baby, 8 times out of 10 you will experience postpartum hair loss or hair shedding and stuff like that, which I did experience. I don't think I'm experiencing it anymore, but I am still a breastfeeding mom, so I was like, yeah, let me take your advice. We cut my hair, and I admired the way that she cut my hair because not only did she like cut it straight, but then she put like all my, what would be my bangs to the front, cut that. She actually took the hair from the middle and was cutting that. So like all of this is very even. I do like the way that she styled my hair because it just looks really full. It looks really good, like So yeah, she did not use heat protector in my hair again before she flat ironed it. I asked her why she didn't, and again, very knowledgeable, she expressed, That doesn't make sense for the simple fact that you're at that point you're cooking your hair. The more products you keep piling on top of it and putting heat to it, you're going to cook your hair. So she had already put the heat protector in my hair when she started the whole styling process before she blew dry my hair, so that heat protector was supposed to carry me throughout the rest of the styling. She also mentioned that the only reason why she passed the flat iron through my hair once is because one, I don't need it to be passed more than once, like for my specific hair, and two, she passes through it again to style it. So she doesn't want to keep straightening it, risking me losing my curls, and then still have to put heat in it to curl it and make it look, you know, look real good or whatever. But yeah, that was my experience at the H2 salon. At the end, I like that at each hair booth they have like a little ring lights, because you know we be feeling ourselves after we got hair done. Okay, so I turn on that. Well, she turned on the ring light for me. She let me do my thing. At the end of the service, you do pay. They do not charge your card unless, again, you were late. You have like unless you canceled late, or if you were a no call no show kind of thing. So at the end, you go back down to the front desk and pay the lady, and then I also tip my girl because that's just what you're supposed to do. And that was it. My appointment again was for 12:30 p.m. Jelena probably did not see me until about, well, maybe 1 o'clock. And I was out of the salon by 2:38, I believe was the time, by 2:38. And if y'all know, us color folk, we be in them hair salons forever, especially if it's black owned. And I really, truly appreciated the fact that I was literally in and I was out, and she was not only balancing me and one other person, she also had a third client there. And I was like, wow. And she was definitely rotating, like she spent her time with all three of us properly. Like she wasn't overspending with me, overspending with her, overspending with that person. She was just really, you know. And I still feel like I spent enough time with her. I'm also not somebody that wants to sit there and talk to my stylist all day. Like, I'll give you a conversation here and there, but like I don't like want unnecessary conversation. But again, Jelena was really cool. She was a vibe. If you guys want to book with her, I highly recommend. Her name, she either goes by Jelena, J, or Ja. And she's the singer, y'all. But yeah, so that is my experience. I also asked her how do I upkeep my curls at night. I'm like, damn, so I gotta wrap my hair. She's like, no girl, all you're gonna do is flatten out your hair after I put these little bumps in it. When you go home, put in a top knot bun, put a bonnet on, and go to sleep and wake up and your hair should be the same, which it was. However, for the sake of this video, my hair was a little bit frizzy because of like I was sleeping and sweating and stuff like that. So I know, shame on me, but I did just bump my hair a little bit just to bring it back some, so y'all could really see how Jelena threw it down, okay? See how she really did your girl. So tomorrow, if I'm not recording tomorrow, so I won't be putting any more heat in my hair. But yeah, so this is how my hair looks. I really love it. I could only imagine if I actually took care of my hair and kept taking my prenatals, like how much more hair I would have had. But like I said, I love my hair. Like, I already booked my appointment 3 months in advance for the next time I'm gonna see Jelena. Like, I love it. But I want to thank you all for tuning in to my video. Please give this video a big thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button, and make sure you comment down below with your thoughts and opinion, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Dog status, I'm a big dog vet. I pull up on the block in a big Corvette. Yeah. Ride around the city with a stick all black. Try with a stroke, but we ain't with all that. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh, made $1 million and I can't go back. Got a lot of jewelry on me, man, you can't hold that. 12 asking better, tell him that I ain't so crack. Know your money long when your people can't afford that. I'm ballin', yeah. My mama told me that did my calling. I keep that stick, I don't do no brawling.